the finished product, and yeah, this is my soldered wired kit, and yeah, I have a lot of fun making it, and I feel very happy. Yeah.
What happened?
Soldered wrongly. Supposed to be like that. Soldered it like that.
Oh.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
It works. It's blinking.
Red. No, it's good. Cool. This is the switch, electronic switch lock, and the key here I have programmed it already, so I just need to open and lock it that way through the antenna. After building this, I feel a sense of accomplishment, I think.